Okay, so this is a stabiliser valve off a, I'll call them a flow valve. It lets water in and then out. No, in and then out. And there's just like a port in there that opens and closes to control the amount of water going through. So that's your pressure switch, that side. There's a main seal in there. I've already done a video on that if you want to have a look at it. We're going to have a look inside this part now, the actual flow. First of all, we're better off marking it there and there, so you know which way it goes. So there and that. There's not much you can do to these, it's over a blockage. The turning mechanism's broke. So that's it. You've got this turning mechanism, but I'm not going to mess about with that because it's set. Just make sure it turns a bit though. Well, not that though. There. Try and keep it where it is. That's turning alright. You've got this O-ring here that goes around there. Just make sure that's alright. If that was bad, it'd be leaking. And then again, take your pen, just mark it. Just be on the safe side so you put it back right. You can pull that out. There's an O-ring there. Just make sure that is good. And that's it. Just make sure to check for blockages. And change the O-rings. That's basically all you can do. Obviously when you refit it, make sure that O-ring's okay as well on the side. I can't feel out in these gloves, so I'm struggling a bit. Right, I'm going to get my magnetic screwdriver. I'll be back in a minute. It's a lot easier when you've got a magnetic screwdriver and you can get them in place. So I was going to zip them down opposite each other. Now I usually replace them, but it might be worth having a look, see if you can repair it before you replace.